Hi, today we're going to talk about finding the area of a triangle. Remember that our formula for finding the area of the triangle is to take the base times the height and then divide it by 2. Remember that the height is the straight up and down, not the slanted. It's the distance from the base to the opposite vertex. Remember, when we go to the doctor and they want to get our height, they tell us to stand straight up. So let's try one. Here's a triangle, and we have a base of 6, and our height is the one that goes straight up from there. The height is going to be 8. So I'm going to use my quad. I'm going to label. I have 6 and 8 and a 10. My formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. So when I plug those values in, area equals, my base is 6, my height is 8, then I'm going to divide it by 2. Well, 6 times 8 is 48, and then divided by 2 is going to be 24. Our label is going to be inches because we've used inches for the other, and it's squared because it's dealing with an area. Look at this one. This one, our height is not one of the sides. The height is actually inside of the triangle. So if I use my quad and draw a quick picture, I've got my triangle here. I've got 10 inches, and my height here inside is 5 inches, and then the outside is 7 inches. I don't really actually need this side on there at all. My formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. Well, my base is 10, so I'm going to plug in 10. The height is 5 because it's that distance from the base up to the vertex. And then I'm going to divide it by 2. Well, 10 times 5 first is 50. Divided by 2 is going to be 25. And my label is going to be inches squared. Let's look at one more. This one, my height is on the outside actually, because if my base were over here, then the straight up and down is from here to that vertex. So in this case, I have a base of 10, and my height, which is straight up and down, is 6. So again, I'm going to use my quad. I'm going to draw a quick picture here, just sketch it. I've got 10 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. And then this right here, our height, is going to be 6 centimeters. So here's my formula. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Well, my base is 10. My height is 6 because it's that straight up and down. Then we're going to divide it by 2. Well, 10 times 6 is 60. Divided by 2 is going to be 30. And then my label is going to be centimeters squared. I hope that helps. That's all for now.